How to summarize a text, document, or PDF using Quillbot. This is the interface of Quillbot. It is used for summarizing, paraphrasing, and plagiarism check. For this tutorial, we will focus our attention on how to summarize text, documents, or PDF in Quillbot. One must enter the URL https://quillbot.com/summarize in the address bar and press the enter key on the keyboard for the page to open. You can click the paste button to paste a copied text or upload a multiple page document to Quillbot, and then click the summarize button to summarize the copied text. The summary results will appear in this window. You may summarize based on key sentences or based on paragraphs. By default, Quillbot is set to summarizing based on paragraphs. The summary can be in a short form, medium, or long. Now let's hit the ground running by copying a text from this blog. Highlight the text, right-click on it, and select copy. Move to Quillbot and hit the paste button to paste the text. The word count is 217, but we need to summarize it below 80 words. Let's select the keywords, maintain the default settings, and click the summarize button to summarize the text. Within few seconds, the 217 words has now been summarized to 73 words. You can now click on Copy Full Text button to copy the results, or highlight the text and right-click on it to copy it. Launch Microsoft Word and paste it. Further formatting and editing are necessary in order to avoid plagiarism. TechTricksGh.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.